steering is working, and there you go. With just one finger, you can see me turning the steering round. So this is a successful fix. Yeah, so I've installed a brand new steering rack for this 2004 Toyota Camry. That's it. You can see it's straight out of the factory, brand new. You can see how new it is there. You can see how shiny it is. And I'm about to install the brand new steering pump as well, so that the steering of this car can be very free. But I discovered that this cup here that catches the oil, I don't know, it's not very visible. It's very dirty. It even contains these metal filings. I've tried to clean it up, but it's not clean. You can see the side of it that it's dirty. It has had this metal filing from the old pump. If I install this brand new pump and steering rack without actually replacing this cup and flushing this whole system, I'm going to knock my expensive steering pump and steering rack. And then I'll be thinking that I got the bad part. Meanwhile, it's the whole cup that is causing the problem. So I'm going to be flushing the system now, and we'll see how well it is. Then I've already sent for this cup to be replaced already. It's on the way. So we're about actually washing the system. Coming out from the other end there. Is it coming out?
Yes.
Yeah. That's flushing the system. I'll do it like this a few times. So here we've assembled all the steering system, the steering pump, brand new. We used brand new belt, another cup, and brand new oil. The whole system is good as new. So we'll be filling in with this steering oil here and have the system bleed. Then we'll try to see the result of all our efforts. Okay, so we finished up everything on the car. We assembled everything, and the belt, the pump, the steering system, it's all set. Start the car. This should pump out if the steering pump is working. The steering pump is working. I start rolling up the oil shows that the steering pump is working, and this will be the first time I'm trying to see how the steering is working. And there you go. With just one finger, you can see me turning the steering round. So this is a successful fix for this car. Turn the steering, let me see. One finger. So successful steering fix. That's how the steering should be when everything is working properly. Thanks.